You have some new news for us regarding a new severe thunderstorm warning that just hit Maine, right?
Yes, in Somerset County, but also there's in New Hampshire too, the southwestern portion of Carroll County. So a couple new warnings up. This is radar indicated. National Weather Service has put this up. It's inside the watch box, that warning. That is just to the west side there of Greenville until 5:30. Wind speed 16 mile per hour, hail size up to 1 inch in diameter. Radar indicated there. And then once again, there's also the one down here on the southwestern portion of Carroll County. So Somerset, there's a band coming into the western Maine mountains that is severe. And then also in New Hampshire, we have that kind of just line moving through. Here's the timeline on that through Wolfboro at 4:53, Wakefield 5:06, Farmington 5:15. So once again, this is the one down to the south that is approaching York County, about to come over in the next, call it half hour, 45 minutes or so. We'll be getting very close to York County. And as the source's radar indication here, and you're going to see just this wall of lightning if you are in York County. If you're down in Sanford, look west. A lot of lightning. That's the main concern with that. Now, through 6 o'clock on the hour-by-hour forecast, that line is going to move just about offshore, except for Kittery, Wells, and that's the southern line. The line up north is going to be approaching Bangor at 6 o'clock and just south of Presque Isle. And then behind that, this stuff won't be severe in the western Maine Mountains. That's behind the main line. That I don't expect a lot from that. 8 o'clock, just about everyone is clear with no problems from Portland up to Augusta, up 95 to Bangor, all clear. A few showers near Presque Isle, that's it. And by 10 o'clock, things have just fallen apart completely. And it'll be a pretty warm and muggy evening. And then as we get into 8 o'clock in the morning, wake up time around Wednesday, not expecting a whole lot. Can't rule out a quick shower, but things will be drying out. And then in the afternoon, not a lot bubbling up in the atmosphere through 4 o'clock. Don't expect you to need the raincoat for tomorrow. Through 7 o'clock, coast and south, here's your timeline. By 9 o'clock, it gets over as that line pushes down off the southern coast. And I'm not expecting down east and even the mid-coast to get too much out of this. And then for central and north, you're seeing this can be very scattered, so this computer model doesn't even pick it up in between hourly situation. For the mariners, seas 3 to 5 feet. A small craft advisory is up as we get into tonight. And then for tomorrow, the next 7 days, it is hot and dry tomorrow as the front is going to clear the coast and it'll be hanging around just offshore. So don't expect too much in the way of relief. The weekend looks great for outdoor activity. It'd be even better if we can get some rain for the lawn right now out of this rain that's coming through. And inland, it's a shower or thunderstorm on Thursday. Not a lot. I want to point out, you see these fancy graphics here. You think, oh, wow, it's going to rain a lot. Well, I just want to, this time of the year, I want to really stress that it doesn't mean you get the stuff to make your lawn no longer crunchy. You have to get lucky and get a thunderstorm to sit there for a little while.
Okay. And we have the very likely potential to add more warnings and potential watches and stuff as the night goes on, right?
I would say especially extreme southern Maine. If I had to say right now, I would say York County, you're on deck. If you're in York County, especially southern York County, and then we'll look up towards Somerset and around there for the next hour or two.
Okay. Thanks, Jason.